Hi, this is Rob. This is the G-View Walkie-Talkies for Kids.
It comes in this box. What do you get in the box? 2 walkie-talkies and an owner's manual, and are made for children ages 3 and above. Each walkie-talkie requires 4 AAA batteries, which are not included. Thus, you will need a total of 8 AAA batteries. The battery compartment is in the back. Put the batteries in. You will hear a beep when the last battery is put in and all batteries are put in correctly. This is the power button. Press and hold the power button for 3 seconds. Then the walkie-talkie will beep and the backlit LCD comes on. The backlight stays on for 5 seconds. On the LCD, this is the battery icon level indicator. This is the volume icon indicator. This is the channel, and this is the sub-channel. These walkie-talkies come with 8 channels, and the range is about 3 kilometers, 1.8 miles, in an open area. If there are many other walkie-talkies in your area, there is a chance that some of these users will be operating on the same channel that you are. To prevent that you are receiving signals from other users, sub-channels have been integrated into these walkie-talkies. There are 99 sub-channels for each of the 8 channels. These 2 walkie-talkies will only be able to communicate with each other when they are operating on the same radio channel and on the same sub-channel. This is the flashlight button. There is a flashlight on top of the walkie-talkie. This is the menu button. This is the scan channels button. Press this button and the walkie-talkie will scan channels for conversations. These are the up arrow and down arrow buttons, used to navigate menu items in the LCD and also to adjust the speaker volume. This is the monitor button to check for weaker radio signals in the current channel. The talk button, press this to talk into the walkie-talkie. The call button is used to test if both walkie-talkies are on the same channel. The walkie-talkie will send a sound to the other walkie-talkie when you press this button. The speaker, and this is the microphone. Speak into this microphone as you press the talk button. How to change channels. The LCD will display the current channel and sub-channel. This walkie-talkie is on channel 5 with sub-channel 1. To change channels, press the menu button once. The main channel starts to flash. Use the up or down arrows to change the channel. The main channels you have are channels 1 through 8. Then, if you want to change the sub-channel, press the menu button again. Use the up or down arrow buttons to change the channel. The sub-channels you have are 1 through 99. When the channels displayed are the ones you want, press the talk button to set that channel. Set the same channel and sub-channel on the other walkie-talkie. To test if both walkie-talkies are on the same channel, press the call button. The walkie-talkie will send this sound to the other walkie-talkie. Then, when you are ready to talk, press and hold the talk button. Talk into the microphone, and when you are finished talking, release the talk button. When you release the talk button, you will hear a beep. This is called a Roger beep. You can turn off this Roger beep in the menu. You can adjust the volume of the speaker by pressing the up or down arrows. The volume level icon is always displayed on the LCD. Okay, that is it. I hope that you like these walkie-talkies.